Hello class, welcome to my most inventive way to try and teach you even though I'm not here. Each of you should have a 2.6 note packet. Go ahead, make sure you're looking at the front page of that, and we're gonna get started. Today we're talking about functions. You might remember function notation being like f of x, and you could have something like 3x plus 2 in your function. Well, this is named function f. It has an input of x, and what we get out is collectively the output of f of x. So when you first started learning about functions, you learned f of x kind of took the place of y in that equation as the output. So that's all something that you're familiar with. That idea of naming the functions is going to be important for today's notation. Take a look at the top of your notes packet, and there's a little section I copied and pasted from the book that talks about the notation you'll see, f plus g of x. Well, this is just telling you want to grab the f function and the g function and add them together. So here's an example. I've got f of x equals 2x minus 1, and then I have 2x squared plus 5x equals minus 3 is equal to g of x. So if I wanted to add these two functions together, I'm going to take my 2x minus 1. I am going to add it to g of x, 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And in this case, if I distribute a positive 1, it will stay positive, so I don't really need these parentheses. And I'm just going to combine the like terms. 2x squared, positive 2, positive 5 is plus 7x, negative 1, negative 3 is negative 4. So f plus g of x is 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. Moving on, you can do the same thing with subtracting these. 2x minus 1 minus 2x plus 5x. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. In this case, I'm going to have to distribute the negative sign to the terms behind it. So nothing's really going to change up front, but I'm going to have minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3, and now I can combine my like terms from here. Easy enough. Okay. Multiplying f times g of x. They're written right next to each other. So from here, I'm going to plug them in. And I'm just going to distribute. Triple distribute there. And distribute on the bottom. Our final answer is 4x squared plus 8x squared, 4x cubed plus 8x squared minus 11x plus 3. Last but not least, you're going to have the opportunity to review division. Change your notes. This should say g of f. I think yours says right. So if I divide g by f, I'll put g on top. And don't forget that you're going to need to factor whenever you have rational equations like this. So this factors into 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. The 2x minus 1s will cancel out, and so g divided by f of x is just equal to x plus 3. Easy enough. Go ahead and try the next ones down that are for you to try, and then you can check your answers with the answer key I left with our sub.